Tonight, we're at the Natural History Museum, raising essential funds for Inner Spark.
We want to reach 1 million young people by 2030, and we can't do it without the support of everyone who's going to be in this room tonight.
We have got such a jam-packed agenda.
We're going to kick off with some interesting workshops. There may be some board breaking.
Amazing charity, which is doing an amazing thing for children around the country.
It's designed to help young people light that inner spark inside them so they can build their confidence, self-belief, and really go out into the world to make a real difference.
It's a no-brainer to support Inner Spark. It was a must-do. I couldn't even begin to say no to it.
We fully fund these workshops across the country for students to receive free school meals.
Inner Spark has really impacted the students' behaviour, culture and achievement at the Academy.
We know we're here this evening for a good cause, but the best part, I think, is seeing and hearing from the young people.
I'm surrounded by greatness.
Just to have that confidence now following on from an Inner Spark workshop is really inspiring to see and really move them.
Your work really inspires me to do what I do and keep doing what I do. Thank you.
We've got a wonderful live auction.
I bet when you came out this evening, you didn't know you were going to be doing this. No, you didn't. Well, you are. Sold. Thank you very much. Give them a round of applause.
This has been a very inspiring evening.
And the amount we raised is £289,920, everyone.
These funds are going to make a huge difference across the country.
We can work with so many more young people in schools across the UK.
Young people are our future, and if we can support young people to really do the best that they can do and be the best versions of themselves in the future, if we can give them that spark, that start that's going to make a difference, then I think we've done a great job.